Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be sowing cabbage January King 3, so March to June, harvest November to March. As you see, sow indoors, March, April, May. So yeah, an exceptional, hardy and reliable winter cropping Savoy cabbage with large heads and attractive and tasty purple tinged leaves. So yeah, really looking forward to this. Sow thinly in trays of seed compost, cover with 1.5 centimetre, half an inch of fine soil, firm gently and keep moist. Cover a tray with glass, polythene or propagator lid and keep it approximately 13 Celsius. Seedlings usually appear 14 to 21 days. Growing on, remove cover when seedlings appear when large enough to transplant. 5 centimetres, 2 inches apart in trays. Stand outside for a few days from late April. Avoid forced transplant in April to May to final positions, 24 inches apart. Firm plants in well. So right, first of all, let's get this tray filled up, shall we first? This is a peat-based compost. Also got plenty of wood fibre and bark in it. So we're having to leave half an inch a gap room. I haven't got a block of wood here I normally use for tempered it down. Just palm my hand, should be alright. That's that like that. Right, let's have a look what's in it, shall we? If you've been any rattling, it's just the greenhouse I'm in. It was over here on the site when I moved in, and it's really, really nice. Right, here we go. Yeah, just sprinkle a few on there. Right, there's loads in here. Right, I don't want cabbages coming out of my ears, so I'll just gently sprinkle them on here. Yeah, because what you tend to do is you're tempted to sow them all, and if you sow them all, you're just going to be chucking loads away. So the fewer you sow, the better they grow. That's my motto anyway. So right, let's give them a quick cover. Half an inch it says. 14 to 21 days till they come out. Then we should give them a cover, just firm it gently. Like so. Give it a water. Right, give it a good water now. Now they've been sown, they've been tapped down. This is a new watering can I've just got a really good rose on the end. Really waters things well. Yeah, really good. So this compost was really damp anyway because it's been kept outside for a few weeks in the bags, so it's not dry. Right, now that's been done, found these little panes of glass. They're out of a cabinet of some sort. I think a kitchen cabinet or a bedroom cabinet. So I'll just slide these over the top, and these will just keep it covered until they first appear. And then once they appear, I can transplant them. So that's how to grow cabbage January King 3. If you've got any questions about how to grow these, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Remember folks, happy sowing, happy growing. Have a good day everybody. Thank you. Bye.